Today, I'll be showing you how to unlock any Samsung Galaxy phone from any carrier through a simple and free method. No need to be a tech expert. I'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock your phone for free and use it with any carrier. If you happen to have a carrier app installed on your phone, unlocking it will be even easier. After following the steps in this video, you won't need an unlock code. Instead, you'll simply wait for a message on the carrier app that says your phone has been unlocked. Then, all you'll need to do is restart your phone. Follow my exact steps from this video, and after that, you will have a phone that will work with any SIM card from any carrier in the world. To begin, insert an unsupported SIM card into your phone. That means a SIM card from a carrier other than your original one. After powering up your phone, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. Once you enter the code, your phone will be fully unlocked and ready to use with any carrier. Here's the best part. You can unlock your phone for free on this website. Just follow the instructions on this website and you will unlock your phone for free using a simple method. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this one. See you in the next one.